Hello guys and welcome back into new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up your Tronlink wallet. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need first to go to the Tronlink website. So you will just type tronlink.org and it will take you to this website. And from here, we can set up our wallets. So basically, you have four methods to have your Tronlink wallet. First one, either to use the desktop app by clicking on install now, or you can go to the App Store or the Play Store, and the easiest way or the preferable way for me is just to use the Chrome extension. And from here, I'm just going to go to the Chrome Web Store and I can just add to Chrome and I'm going to have my wallet. So basically now, after setting up or after installing my wallet, I'm having the wallet extension here. So now I can start using the Tron link. So after clicking on it, I will need just to create a wallet so I can uh, use it. And now you will need just to see all these agreements. You will need just to go through it. You agree and you give it a name. You enter a password for this wallet, so let's just give it a password and another password, confirming the password, and you can create the wallet. And now you have successfully uh, created and set up your wallet. So all you need to do is to start verifying things. So those are some uh, security measurements. You will need just to go through them, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can set up your wallet. Thank you for watching and see you next time.